What's up, guys? My name's Anthony and this is Crypto Ride, the YouTube channel that helps you navigate the ups and downs of cryptocurrency through project review, news updates, and technical analysis videos like the one you're watching right now. More specifically, if you're interested in Chainlink and want regular updates on the project, make sure to join our community by subscribing and activating the bell notification to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. I also want to thank our new and returning subscribers for supporting the channel, doing what you do, and helping us grow. On that note, let's talk Web3 Summit, let's talk Golden Cross, and most importantly, let's talk Chainlink. So before I get into the specifics and start talking about this chart, can I just say that it's really refreshing to do a Chainlink video and to be able to be bullish. I made a few of these update videos after making my Chainlink project review, which, by the way, if it's your first time stopping by, make sure to watch the Chainlink review video that we made if you don't know too much about the project, but you're just kind of interested. But here we are. Let me timestamp this. Right now it is about 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday night, and the price of Chainlink is sitting at $2.52. Now, since my last update, the price has been moving up, and I wanted to talk about a general trend line. We've had this in play since June 21st. And now we're in August, so we have a pretty solid trend. We're kind of transitioning from a short to more of a medium-term trend line if this can stay in play. And the level we'll be watching to make sure we stay bullish is we need to keep this price above $2.23. And then as time moves forward, really just keep it above this white line. Another thing I want to just make note of, we had been talking about that $2.20 support level. We did wick down to it here last week. It looks like on August 14th. On that day, I did get my buy order filled. Hopefully, if you were watching our past videos and you had some buy orders set, hopefully you got yours too. I'm really happy to say that me personally, I'm finally profiting off of this project after accumulating it and catching those lows all summer. And in a couple minutes, I'll tell you why I'm really excited about what the future might hold in the coming weeks and month. But the next thing I want to do for us is create a Fibonacci retracement. So I'll take this from the bottom part, from the beginning part of the trend, and I'll take it up to the highest point, which is actually the all-time high up here. When I create that, basically you can see these levels, and I was doing some research before and just kind of looking into this, preparing for the video, and I was just really impressed with the way some of these levels are really reacting. And if you look at this 0.618 level, the retracement level here, you can see we wicked up to it here, actually wicked up to it back over here on July 18th, and we could potentially be coming up and coming near it again in the coming week, really. I think it could happen this week or certainly next week, but this price point here is $2.75, so that is a critical level. We want to see if Chainlink can get above that. If we can get above that with conviction, you can see we've got runway and room to play, then we could potentially get into that $3.10 price range. But that's the main one. Of course, on the low side of things, we're looking at $2.24, and of course, to stay above the trend line, you can go a touch lower, $2.22. But we definitely don't want to come below $2.20 again at all this week if we want to remain bullish. So that's the Fibonacci retracement. Next thing I thought I'd do for everyone, especially if you don't know what this is I thought I'd take a second and define the Golden Cross. People talk about the Golden Cross and the Death Cross. And the Golden Cross is a bullish signal that happens when a moving average on a lower time frame, like a 50-day moving average, crosses over and goes above the 200-day moving average. The Golden Cross is a technical chart pattern indicating the potential for a major rally. Okay? So definitely bullish. So let's take a look at this. Here you see we have that main trend line again. I've also activated the 200-day moving average and the 50-day, if I can highlight it, the 50-day moving average on this chart. If you just look right here, you can see that this, where my mouse is circling, that's a Golden Cross. That just happened. I'm never a financial advisor, but this is a bullish sign on the charts. I don't want to get you guys too excited, but this could definitely signal that we're moving up. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin is flirting with that $11,000 price point. Back to set to launch on September 23rd, if you didn't see that news come out over the weekend. So there's a lot of good things happening in crypto. We've got the Web3 Summit for Chainlink itself, which is corresponding with the Golden Cross, which is just perfect timing and perfect example of fundamentals meeting and helping and kind of amplifying the action that we're seeing on the technical charts. But let's just take a look here. One more thing I want to point out. The last time this happened, it was back on May 8th. And at May 8th, the price of Chainlink was 60 cents. And well, if you're watching this video, you probably have an idea of what we did at that point. We went from 60 cents all the way up to $4.58. And if we do the measured move here, that was, you ready for this? Give me a drum roll, right? That was an 825% move upwards percentage-wise. So it was an 8x gain. Pretty amazing. I'm not guaranteeing or in any way saying that we're going to 8x right now, but be prepared. If this thing plays out, we could definitely see a 2x or 3x gain from here, meaning I wouldn't be surprised to see those all-time highs get tested and potentially break through. We'll see what kind of news comes out this week at Web3, but I'm excited. As a side note, I will make another TA update on Chainlink within the week. So again, as I mentioned in the intro, make sure you subscribe to get those updates. Also, before I close out this video, I want to talk about this Web3 Summit 2019, which I keep talking about because it is happening right now. It started today. It is in Berlin, Germany, and it runs up until, I believe, this Wednesday. Yeah, August 19th through the 21st. It's called the Web3 Summit. All right, and the Chainlink's Oracle Hacker Node aims to bring together developers and enthusiasts from around the world to collectively recognize how decentralized oracles are crucial for developing smart contracts with real-world impact. And basically what's happening here is that Chainlink is running a section of the broader Web3 Summit, and they're hosting 18 different events, okay? And this is just, I have Tuesday up here. I'll try and, I get in there. So Tuesday, you can just see what's coming up tomorrow. Hedera hash graph. And you can just take a look at some of the other things that are happening tomorrow. And while we're at it, we'll take a look at what's coming up on Thursday. But I think more importantly for us as investors, we just need to keep an eye on the Chainlink Twitter page, or if you follow them on Telegram, and just keep an eye of the major developments that come out. If there's something big that comes out of this specifically, that might be the catalyst we need to push this price upwards, especially since we've got the golden cross now. We don't need much. I think a little bit of great fundamental news, which isn't a stretch this week, will do a lot for our price. So I'm excited to see where we go. I would have to imagine that we are going upwards this week. And I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Give the video a like if you enjoyed what you saw. If you're a Marine, if you're bullish on this price, and enjoy the ride. I'll see you in the next video.